So yeah, basically had everything packed up last night, ready to go. I was planning on heading out to the Olympic Peninsula this weekend to do a little snowboarding at Hurricane Ridge tomorrow, which is still going to happen. Slight wrench in our plans for this evening, though. My intention was to head out straight after work. Packed everything up like I said. Got to work. First thing I realized when I got out of my car, forgot my wallet. Every day at work's kind of a push day on a Friday, so I knew that it was going to be hard to get out there at 5 p.m. on the dot. We actually ended up leaving about 3 minutes early. Had to drive all the way back to Seattle, which is 30 minutes from where I work, grab my wallet, and then head back another 30 minutes back to the ferry to miss 2 ferries now. But we're going to be about first in line for the next one, and then we got a 2-hour drive to a cool little rustic cabin I'm staying in the rainforest. So stay tuned. We got some great stuff in this episode. Starting off with a bang. This is supposedly the entrance to where my cabin is. It's raining quite hard. I should probably turn off my high beams. We're gonna go on our little adventure. This is the mile marker. It should be down here. This is pretty wild. Should be a slight right turn off towards a driftwood gates. This is nuts. Okay, so we go down here. We're supposed to stay left. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, there's the metal shed. So to stay left. I don't know what that is. Coming out this way. And in the drive. Is that it? Check it out. Home sweet home for the evening. Cabin number 9. Pretty sweet. Alright, let's go in and check it out. So rad. Alright. Pretty cool. Okay. Alright. Dig it. Dig it. So here's the loft upstairs. Check out this sweet bookcase. I don't really know how you access these books. Maybe you gotta use some of your climbing skills and get up here. Ooh, a chessboard and a fan. binoculars, tea kettle. Yeah, boy. This handle's pretty cool. You gotta love the PMW. Just got to use some unique places to stay and unique paintings of Sasquatch getting abducted by a UFO. How fitting. Let's get these boots off. Oh, it feels good. That was a long drive. A long drive in the rain. So I really feel these solo trips are important for the soul. They're important for human development. Spending some time alone, I think a lot of people were forced to do that this past year. Some of us probably struggled with it a little bit. I'm very comfortable spending time with myself. I did a lot of it over my time in Vail. I would go on just solo trips with my dog, and I absolutely loved it. I feel like I grew a lot as a person over those years. I find myself in a very creative state when I'm in these environments. I think these trips are very important for myself. I don't know. It's hard to describe the feeling you get when you're isolated out in the woods or in a cabin, a tent, the desert. There's something about that feeling for me. For a lack of better word, there's something about that feeling for me that makes me feel alive in a very raw way. You know, I think you experience so many emotions just on the road in general. Like tonight, you know, I worked 9 hours, forgot my wallet, had to go back to Seattle, go back to the ferry, you know, spend an hour delay right off the bat, caused me to miss 2 ferries, didn't get on the ferry till 8 o'clock. I was hungry, stopped and got a little food, got gas, you know, went slow because it was basically a monsoon the whole time. The Olympic Peninsula is pretty much a rainforest in the area I'm at. Pretty much in a rainforest right now, actually. It rains very heavy and strong winds, so I didn't get here until 11 p.m. That's 2 hours past the time that I was projecting to get here. But what can you do? It's all part of the adventure. I think these experiences are great for anyone. I highly encourage someone to take a trip solo. I know that's difficult for some people to do. Getting off of work, or, you know, you're married, you have kids, you have a challenging job, it's very demanding. There's a bunch of different things, but I'm a firm believer in the fact that if you want to get something done, you'll find a way. You'll find a way to make time for it, that's for sure. Not trying to get too deep or go down the rabbit hole too far, but I just wanted to take a moment to talk and chat a little bit and tell you guys why I enjoy driving out to the rainforest in the middle of the night to stay in a remote cabin. These things I enjoy, and I wanted to give you a little insight into my mind, what these trips kind of do for me. Well, that was quite the drive-in. Quite the adventure. Always is coming out here. The Olympic Peninsula is something else. Those roads suck at night, though. I'm not going to lie. No lighting, heavy rain, pretty much one lane, both sides the whole way. It's kind of brutal in the Jeep, driving so slow, everyone else trying to drive so fast, and pouring down rain. The wind was blowing me all around, but hey, that's part of it. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna hang out, drink this beer, maybe have a little snack, and then hit the hay. Glad we made it. Now it's time to sit back and relax. We'll check in tomorrow. feel like it's been quite some time now since I put out an outro for a video, a proper outro. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're already not. I appreciate you guys showing up each week, and comment below if you guys have any suggestions about any unique cabins near Washington State, Oregon, California, Canada if it opens up, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. Those are some of the states I'm interested in right now. I will be planning a little trip to Missoula this summer, so if you guys have any recommendations of where I should go in Montana, please comment that down below. I would definitely appreciate it. As always, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to have a little snowboarding video next at Hurricane Ridge, so I hope you enjoy that. I'll talk to you soon.